I caught 1,500 pips on gold using one simple setup. In this video, I will show you exactly how I did it so you can replicate it. Welcome back. I'm Penzi from Evolve Leads. I focus on trading gold and Forex, sharing real setups and breakdowns that actually work in live markets. Before we get into the chart, here's what I'm going to break down for you. First, I'll show you how market structure revealed the real direction of gold before the move started. Then I'll walk you through the confirmation signals I waited for so I didn't enter blindly. After that, I'll explain the exact entry trigger that gave me the green light to execute the trade. I also cover the Confluence factors that stack probability in my favor. And finally, I'll show you how I manage risk to protect my capital while targeting a big pip run. Let's dive into the chart. So this is our chart right here. Let's look at our market structure. Whichever strategy you're using, you need to understand first that market structure is key, okay? When you look to the left and observe keenly, you realize price forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and so on. So with the J14 strategy, the time when you're going to take your trades is crucial. Plus you need a break through the eye of the market, what most people call break of structure. To me, I call it the eye of the market. Okay? So at this point, when price continues rallying, okay, you realize price forming a squeeze breakout pattern. And right here with our first two taps, you will need a trend line to follow up where the breakout could happen from. This is the trend line already on our charts. Okay. Now let's look at our confirmation signal. At the confirmation stage, I'll need an order block at the top of the sell trend where I expect price to rebound from before forming the heart of the market, which price will break to the downside. This is vice versa for the buy trades. So this is our order block right here. Okay. Two, let me briefly explain the heart of the market, or what I call the hot M. In the J14 strategy, what I call the heart of the market is a simple tightest neckline that gives me a confirmation that now price is going through. This is what I call the heart of the market. Okay, just a simple neckline. After confirming this, I will now shift my focus to the exact entry trigger. I will need not too long wicks at the bottom of the hot M, and then it's right here. I will put my entry. Okay, not too long wicks right here. Then I'll look for my entry just there. Okay. To our next focus, which are my Confluence factors, is when now I start to see price forming higher lows next to my hot M. At this point, I'm now sure we are going down. And finally, to my risk management, I put my stop above the last lower high and my target to as far as I want. Particular one, I'm looking at 1,500 pips. After price drops to 300 pips, I shift my SL to BE. My BE will be right there. Okay. So well, that's it for today guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.